From England.
Oh my God! We have FBI here. FBI! Somebody help me! Oh my God! Yes, how do you know I'm from England?
Hello.
Hello! Hello! How are you?
I'm good.
I can't.
And what about you?
Okay. Yes, I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah. And what's your name?
My name's Dan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, fantastic. So, why aren't you not in school?
Because I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher?
Yeah.
What do you teach?
English.
Oh, you can teach me, please.
Yes, of course. But there is a small problem.
What problem may that be?
Because you are a native speaker.
Am I?
Yes.
Where do I come from then?
What do you mean?
You say I'm a native speaker. Where do you think I come from?
From England.
Oh my God! We have FBI here. FBI! Somebody help me! Oh my God! Yes, how do you know I'm from England?
Because I'm a... I knew it.
Sorry?
I know you because of your accent.
Because of my accent. Oh, thank you so much. But where do you come from? America?
No. From
Australia?
Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yes, I
Wow.
speak American accent.
Oh, fantastic. Well, yes, you do have American accent. What about mine now? How do I sound?
Uh,
Yeah. So tell me a bit about you. What do you like doing?
I I like to play cricket.
Play cricket? Ah,
Yes,
are you good at cricket?
yes,
Oh, really? I think I'm gonna have to play you at cricket.
yes. I'm gonna challenge you.
Yeah, you can challenge me all day.
Are you good in it?
Of course, I'm English. Cricket comes from England.
Yes.
But I can't play football
Why?
because I can't.
Because if you slept and fell down, so it will be bad.
I know it will hurt my bum because I'm quite heavy.
Yeah.
I might break my bum. Like, oh my God, I would never sit again for a year.
Okay.
I know. So you like cricket. Are you playing cricket today?
Yes.
Where's the cricket field?
Sorry.
Do you have your cricket bat?
Yes, I have, but I don't have a wooden one
Oh, yours is metal.
because no, plastic one.
Made of ice?
Because sorry,
Your cricket bat is made of ice.
no,
Oh,
plastic,
sorry? Glass?
plastic, plastic.
Oh, plastic.
Because the wooden one is so heavy, I can't play on that.
Yeah, they're very heavy. I know. We could use. There's my cricket bat.
No, this is a water bottle.
Oh yeah, it's a water bottle, but it's a good one though. It's a JC water bottle. All right, where's your cricket bat? Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
I know your connection is like. Yeah. So, are you playing cricket today?
Yes,
Who are you gonna play with?
sorry,
Who will you play with?
with my cousin.
Your cousins. How about with your father?
No, he's busy
He's busy.
working.
Working. Yes, we have to do that thing called work. And how about mummy?
Mommy is busy in the kitchen work.
Oh my God. Hey, you should help her.
Yeah, of course. Today is my holiday and I will help her and I will play cricket too.
Okay, you help her cook food, and then I will help you eat it.
Okay, I agree.
What's your favorite food?
Uh, grilled chicken.
Grill. Can you cook grilled chicken for me?
Yes.
I don't believe you.
Why?
Because I don't. Until I see it, I won't believe it.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is flat and round
What?
with lots of cheese.
Cheese.
My favorite food is flat and round and
Hmm?
with lots and lots of cheese.
You mean pizza?
Ah, pizza! Yes. Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Ah, so did you have pizza for breakfast?
No.
Oh no. What did you have?
I have some eggs and a piece of cake.
A piece of cake. You know that you know when you say that's a piece of cake, it's that means
Yes.
it's very easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy piece of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You
Sorry?
you make me laugh.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, yeah. Pizza. Can you cook a pizza?
No.
Oh no. So, what are you having for lunch today then, huh?
No idea.
No idea.
What will be? No.
You know what? I can pay you. I can pay you. There we go. I can pay you for a pizza if you cook me some pizza.
No. I
Oh,
don't
okay.
want money.
I know. I can buy some grilled chicken from you.
Yes, I will give you.
You'll give me
You
some grilled
think I'm a cook?
Sorry?
You think I'm a cook?
Yes, you said you cook grilled chicken.
Okay, I will cook for you, but the time is so.
So short. The time is running.
Yeah.
Running. The time is running
I
out.
Yes, but I can't see you. It's
I can
dark
see.
in your screen.
Really? It's dark. Like sunglasses dark.
What happened? What happened?
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
All right.
But
So
bye bye.
come back tomorrow.
I will.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.